Part 1 at the park.
The park looks so nice this morning.
Yes, the air feels fresh and cool.
I like watching people walk their dogs here.
Me too. The dogs always look so happy.
Did you bring your water bottle today?
Yes, I filled it before leaving home.
Let's sit on that bench under the tree.
Good idea. The shade looks really nice there.
I can hear birds singing in the trees.
Their songs make the morning so peaceful.
Do you come here every weekend, Emma?
Not always, but I try to come often.
I like walking here when I need to think.
Me too. Walking helps clear my mind fast.
Look, those kids are flying colorful kites.
They look like they're having so much fun.
I used to fly kites with my brother.
That sounds like a nice childhood memory.
Do you want to take a walk around?
Sure, let's walk near the lake first.
The water looks shiny under the sunlight today.
It's really calm. I love how it moves.
There are ducks swimming close to the edge.
They look hungry. Maybe someone's feeding them.
I'll take a picture of this view now.
Great, I'll stand here. Take one of me.
Okay, smile. The background looks really pretty.
Did it come out nice? Let me see it.
Yeah, you look great. The trees look perfect.
Thanks, I'll post it later on my story.
Let's grab an ice cream from that shop.
I want vanilla. It's my favorite flavor.
I'll get chocolate. It's always a safe choice.
The man at the stall looks really friendly.
Yes, he always waves when I pass by.
I like small places with kind people like that.
It makes the city feel warm and welcoming.
Do you come here after work sometimes?
Yes, when I'm stressed, I walk here alone.
Maybe next time we can jog together here.
That sounds fun. I need more exercise anyway.
The weather is perfect for running these days.
I'll bring my headphones. Music makes it better.
I'll make a playlist for our morning runs.
Perfect. Let's start this weekend if it's sunny.
Deal. And we'll grab breakfast after running.
That sounds like the best plan ever.
I agree. I'm already excited for the weekend.
Me too. Mornings like this make me feel alive.
Same here. Peaceful days make everything better.
Part 2 at the bookstore.
This bookstore always smells like new paper.
Yes, I love the quiet feeling inside here.
Are you looking for something specific today?
Maybe a novel. I want something calm and happy.
I'm going to check the travel section first.
You always read books about other countries, right?
Yeah, I like learning about new places and cultures.
I prefer stories about friendship and everyday life.
Look, they have a new shelf for popular books.
Oh, I wanted to read that one last month.
Let's check the back. They have a cafe there.
Great, we can sit and read for a bit.
I'll order 2 coffees, same as usual.
Yes, 1 latte for me, please.
I like this table near the window. It's quiet.
Perfect choice. The sunlight makes it cozy here.
You read so fast. You're already on chapter 3.
I know, it's such a fun story so far.
Sometimes I buy books and never finish them.
Same here. They just sit on my shelf forever.
I like the sound of pages turning around us.
It feels peaceful, like time moves slower here.
I used to come here during my college breaks.
I wish I had known about this place earlier.
Do you want to share the dessert menu?
Sure, I'll try the chocolate muffin today.
Then I'll get the croissant. I'm feeling fancy.
These little breaks make weekdays feel less stressful.
Yes, even an hour here feels refreshing.
Maybe next week we can visit the library too.
Great idea. They have a big new reading room.
You can bring your notebook and write there.
True, I've been wanting to start journaling again.
I think it helps clear your mind a lot.
I'll write about our day here at the bookstore.
That sounds really sweet. I'd love to read it.
Maybe I'll make it a weekend habit.
I'll join you, but I'll sketch instead.
Your drawings always look calm and detailed.
Thanks, this place gives me quiet inspiration.
I think we found our favorite spot now.
Definitely, books, coffee, and peace. What else?
Maybe good company too, like you.
You're sweet. I enjoy spending time here together.
Let's come again next Sunday after lunch.
Yes, that sounds like a perfect little plan.
I'll remember to bring my reading glasses then.
And I'll bring my sketchbook and colored pens.
Great, our bookstore Sundays are now official.
I can't wait for our next quiet day here.
Part 3 at the restaurant.
This restaurant smells amazing as soon as you enter.
Yes, I'm already hungry just from the smell.
The waiter said their pasta is really popular today.
Let's order that. It sounds delicious to me.
I'll get lemonade. What are you drinking?
Maybe iced tea. I like it cold and light.
Do you want to share a dessert after dinner?
Yes, maybe chocolate cake if they have it.
The music here makes it feel warm and calm.
I like places that play soft background music.
The lights are nice too, not too bright.
It feels perfect for talking and relaxing after work.
I saw someone from the office sitting over there.
Oh, really? Let's just wave and keep chatting.
Good idea. I just want a peaceful dinner.
Same here, no work talk tonight, please.
Deal, let's just enjoy our food and talk.
Do you cook at home often, Liam?
Sometimes, but I usually end up ordering out.
You should try cooking. It's fun when you practice.
Maybe you can teach me your easy recipes.
Sure, I'll show you my quick pasta dish.
That would be great. I'm terrible with sauce.
It's all about timing. I'll help you learn.
Okay, next weekend, we'll cook together at home.
Sounds fun. We can play music while cooking.
And maybe burn something by accident.
Hopefully not, but it'll still be funny.
The waiter's coming, let's order now.
Yes, I'll take the creamy mushroom pasta, please.
And I'll have the tomato basil pasta, thank you.
The bread smells so fresh, I can't wait.
I could eat this every day, honestly.
Me too. Good food always makes me happy.
I think this might become our dinner spot.
I agree. It's quiet, nice, and comfortable here.
Do you want to walk around after dinner?
Sure, a short walk will help us digest.
Maybe we can stop for coffee on the way.
Only if it's decaf or I won't sleep later.
True, you get too awake after coffee at night.
Yes, I learned that the hard way last time.
That night you texted me until 2 a.m.
I couldn't sleep, so I just kept chatting.
It was fun though, I didn't mind.
You're too nice. I'll try to sleep earlier now.
Deal, but only after dessert tonight.
Of course, I'd never skip dessert with you.
I think the food here was really worth it.
Definitely, we should come again soon together.
Part 4 at the beach.
The sea looks beautiful in the evening light.
Yes, the sky colors are so soft and warm.
I love the sound of waves hitting the shore.
It's relaxing. I could sit here all day.
Did you bring a blanket to sit on?
Yes, I packed one and some snacks too.
Great, this spot looks perfect near the rocks.
Let's sit here and watch the sunset together.
The wind feels nice, it's not too strong.
My hair keeps moving, but I like it.
I can see boats far away near the horizon.
They look tiny from here, like little dots.
I like how peaceful everything feels at the beach.
It's my favorite place to relax and think.
We should come here more often after work.
Yes, it's not far, and it's really calming.
The sand feels cool now that the sun's gone down.
I like walking barefoot and feeling the sand.
Want to take a short walk near the water?
Sure, just don't let the waves catch us.
Too late, my shoes are already a bit wet.
Haha, see, I told you to move faster.
I'll take a picture of the sunset now.
Wait, let me stand there for the photo.
Smile. The light looks perfect right now.
Did it come out nice? I hope I didn't blink.
It's great, you look happy and natural there.
I'll set it as my wallpaper later tonight.
The ocean always makes people smile like that.
Yes, it feels free, open, and full of peace.
Do you want to build a sandcastle just for fun?
Sure, I haven't done that since I was little.
Let's make it tall with a little flag on top.
Done. It's cute. It looks like a tiny fort.
This was a good idea, Emma.
Thanks, I love simple evenings like this.
Let's stay a little longer before going home.
Yes, until the stars start to appear above us.
I see the first one already in the sky.
Make a wish, Liam, before it disappears.
Okay, I wished for more days like this.
That's a sweet wish. I'll wish the same.
The waves are slowing down, it's getting quieter.
Time feels slow, but I don't want to leave yet.
We'll come again next weekend, promise?
Promise, same place, same time, same peace.
You always make evenings feel special, Emma.
And you always make them feel calm, Liam.
Let's head back before it gets too dark.
All right, but I'll remember this night forever.